In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a text outline in Affinity. So once you have your text in Affinity and you want to add outline to this text, on the upper right hand side, switch to stroke and you can see it in the upper right. In the style section, just simple click on solid lines and you can go ahead and you can adjust the width of the lines. And as you can see, I make a text outline. You can also go ahead and change the color of the outline by go ahead and click on appearance. Now, once you go ahead and click on appearance, you will see the stroke set to the normal and you can just click on that to change the color. So here you can go ahead and choose a color from here, or you can switch the colors from swatches and you can go ahead, or you can just simply switch to swatches or colors and just choose an individual color that you want the outline to be. So that's how you can go ahead and change that. And you also have gradients as well. You have hatch pattern as well. So it's really up to you what you want to fill there or change it to. But that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and add text outline in Affinity.